So on today's video, I'll be showing you a best time you need to post your AI movies, like a best time you need to post your content. Do you understand? I'll be showing a full tutorial on how you will know the best time for you to post your content. Because one thing about this AI, one thing about this movie we have created is that you know when your audience are online and you know the best time for you to post your content. Okay, mind you, my own time will not be the same with your own time. Do you understand? Your own time will not be the same with my own time. Now, when you post your content, when your audience are online, this will make your audience to watch your movie. Now, when your audience watch your movie from beginning to the end, this will help the algorithm to keep on pushing your movie to more audience. Okay, but whenever you post your content, whenever your audience are not online, the app will go ahead to push you to the ones are not your audience, like the people are not interested in what you are doing. Now, once those set of people come across your video, they'll just go ahead to, they will not watch it to the end. They'll just go ahead to scroll. Do you get? Now, when 2, 3, 4, 5 people just scroll past your video, the app know that you think that the movie is not good and go ahead to slow down the movie growth. But when you notice when your audience are always online and post exactly that time, okay, and also the day, this will help your movie to keep on going more viral. And before you know it, you reach the 4,000 watch hour requirement that you need to have, okay, before the new policy YouTube is giving us begins. Okay, so if this is what you want to learn for yourself, for you to master when your audience are always online and also the time for you to be posting your movies, okay, I will advise you to stay to the end of this video because I'll be showing you a full tutorial detail on how to do that. Now, without not wasting your time, if this is your first time coming across this channel,
vibe with a view, bringing dreams to life. Create with passion, create with vibe.
So guys, let's dive in. Now, the first place for us to go is for our YouTube studio. Okay, now what I have to do now is go ahead to head over to my any browsing app of my choice. Okay, I'll be going with Firefox. I go ahead to click on my Firefox. Okay, now when the app open, do you see this search bar? I head over there to type in this YouTube studio dashboard. Okay, here is it, YouTube studio dashboard. You can see it. Okay, I go ahead to click on it. Now when I click on it, this one is the one we'll be going with. Okay, I go ahead to click on it. Also, when I click on this is exactly what I will get. Okay, I go ahead to click on cancel. They just ask me if they will take me direct to my YouTube channel. Do you understand? So, but I need the website, I need the dashboard, the main dashboard, the main website dashboard. Do you understand? So that's where we are heading to. Okay, so my dashboard is loading. Okay, now I'll just go ahead to zoom it because I want to show you guys something. Now please, when your dashboard open, first of all switch into the email, like your main YouTube, the one you are trying to work on. Do you understand? The one you are trying to know the best time for you to post. Okay, now when you come over here, okay, do you see this arrow, this logo here? Wait, let me zoom it very well. This logo that look like, sorry, okay, it don't look very well. So do you see this logo that look like Gemini logo? Can you go ahead to click on it? Okay, now I've clicked on it and give it time to open. So like our Art Studio has opened. Let me kindly zoom it off. Sorry. On Art Studio, okay, do you see this place? Ask something. Okay, kindly click that place to go and paste in this prompt. Okay, this prompt I'll be dropping it on the comment section in case if you need it, so you go there and take it. Okay, I go ahead to paste my prompt. Let me bring in the prompt. Okay, now this is exactly what the prompt is saying for those that want to know. Okay, analyze my YouTube channel and tell me exactly when my audience is most active on YouTube. Based on my channel data, identify number 1, my best day to post, my best time to post, my top 3 posting time ranking, the best time to post before my audience peak active, the best post time for my specific content stroke niche. Why I did this so that everybody can make use of this prompt. Do you understand? Okay, so number 6 is the day and time I should avoid. Number 7, create a simple weekly posting schedule for me. Okay, now the final of them all, use my actual audience analysis, not general advice. Show all time in local time zone. Also explain how I can use this post time to increase views, engagement, watch time and channel growth and work towards YouTube monetization requirements. Our main aim of checking this so that for us to be getting a lot of views, engagement and also try to reach the threshold before the new policy day begins. Do you understand? So we are just trying to try our best. Okay. Now once we're done with this part, all I have to do next, you go ahead to click here. This allow. So like this now, the thing is analyzing our request, which you are seeing is there on the dashboard. So let's just give it time to analyze for us. Now, the app have already analyzed what we request for it. Okay, now this is what the app give me. Okay, which you can just go through it. Okay, but I just go ahead to analyze them in a simple and short way. Now, if you check from all time, are showing your local time zone. Now check the best time they give me. The best day to post. Now my best day to post, okay, which you can see top days, Saturday, Wednesday and Sunday. These days shows very high activities level. Now the second day Friday and Tuesday also show strong high activities. So if I post within these days they mention here, this will help me to get a lot of views. Okay, now see best time to post. They also give me the best time across your peak days. The window of high activity generally fell between 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. Now whenever I post within this ranging time from 4 p.m. down, I will get a better views. Do you understand? Now my early peak activity started round up significantly around 12 p.m. Okay, if I see post under by 12 p.m. I will still get a lot of views. Okay, now my evening peak, whenever I post around this time in the evening I will still get a lot of view. Do you understand? Now they go ahead to analyze top posting time rank. So let's check our top posting time, which you are seeing it there, number 3, top 3 posting time ranked. Okay, now if I see on Wednesday at 4 p.m. your audience hit very high activity from 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Same thing on Saturday. Okay, they also give us 4 p.m. Okay, also on Sunday, sorry, same thing on Sunday and also same thing on Saturday. Now whenever I post around from this straight time, Wednesday, Wednesday, Sunday and Saturday, whenever I post exactly this time they just mentioned here, my videos will perform very well. Now you can see my number 4 being the peak activity strategy. Now under this my peak activity strategy, what this place is telling me is that I should post within 1 to 2 hours before my audience start logging in. Okay, that means they are saying I should post at least maybe by that kind of 2 p.m. before e reach the time my audience will start logging in, so that the app will go ahead to analyze everything for me. Do you understand? This one is once I post I just leave it under private before publishing it. That is what this side is saying. Okay, now you can still go ahead to check my target window. My target window is 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. is ideal for most days to catch the evening viewers. Okay, now content format insight. Your audience show a very high interest in both long form and short form. Okay, so they also give me for my long form stick is the 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. window to minimize initial watch time. Do you understand? Now same thing happen to my short form. So they also tell me the best time I should post on my short. I should post around this time, being from the 12 noon. Okay, now they also say time to avoid. Okay, avoid posting during this time. Okay, now whenever I post around this time I will get a low view activities period as your initial engagement may be strong, reach be waiting. Okay, now they say I should avoid um 1 a.m. to 7 a.m. that means in the night. Okay, in the morning I should avoid this time. Okay, this is when your audience is less active. Now Monday and Thursday morning active, say activities very low nearing noon. They also I should avoid posting on Monday and also on Thursday. Okay, now also go ahead to schedule to give me my weekly schedule, which you are seeing it here, okay, days, sorry, which you are seeing it here, days, best time, and the activities. Okay, and so all I have to do next now, from this now, I'll just go ahead to take a screenshot of this, because this is very important. Or if you have somewhere you can write it down, can you go ahead to write it down? Do you understand? And always make sure you post these days as the app instructed. Make sure you post these days, okay? So guys, if you check it, they also go ahead to analyze the part to grow and monetize, so that you pay serious attention. Sorry, I have to cover it. I have to cover my watch here so that you guys will not see it. Now, this is what they said, okay? Using this post time effectively can accumulate your progress toward your YouTube partner program. Okay, so they also tell me the current watch hour I have, okay, and also, okay, now they also try to tell me increase views and engagement. Posting just before peak time encourage immediate like and comment. With this side, minimize watch hours. Since your audience enjoy long form content, use this peak window for your most engaging storytelling. Do you understand? Okay, and also short to discover. Okay, use short to reach new viewers during high traffic hours. Why short view don't count? Okay, they also tell me short view don't count for 4,000 watch hour, which is, that is true. Okay, now once we're done with this place, let me see show you another side, that we should also know if what we get here is true or if what we get here is lie. Okay, now let's head over to, I have to go back. Now head over to your YouTube Y Studio. This is it. If you don't have it, go and download it to Play Store and sign in. Head over here, okay, go ahead to open it. Now when you come to your YouTube Studio, okay, you will see analysis. Click on analysis. You will see audience up. Go to your audience. Okay, you will see this. You will see it when your viewers are on YouTube. Okay, serious attention here. Okay, you can see we have 12 a.m, 6 a.m, 12 p.m, 6 p.m. Do you understand? Now if you can remember when the app said if I post around 1 a.m to 7 a.m, I will have a lot of low views. Now this is what this side is saying. Do you see this thing now? This is the sign of low views. Like whenever I post around this, you can see this is very, like, if you notice that this side from that 12 a.m to 6 a.m, so I don't know how to now, from, if you notice, 12 a.m to 6 a.m are somehow different from 12 p.m to 6 p.m. Do you understand? This bold mark you are seeing here shows that whenever I post around this time, I will get a lot of views. And this is also ranking with what we see on our YouTube Studio dashboard, if you can remember. Do you understand? Now, for me now, I'm not meant to post in the morning. My kind of content, I'm not meant to post in the morning. My kind of content is the major time I should post is that, which you can remember, we have by 12, and we still have from 4 to 10. Okay, that means whenever I post in the evening time, I will post around 12. I'm okay. Okay, and also when I come to my evening time, I will still go ahead to post around 6. Okay, I will still be on a safer side, because of the ranking is like, the color is very bold. I don't know how to place that. You guys will understand what I'm trying to tell you here. Do you understand? So my dear, that is just it. Go and check the one that you go and check the time you have on your own. Okay, because my own time and your own time will be the same. It will never be, it will not be the same. Do you understand? So go and check the time you have, and also come here to analyze it. Do you understand? Once you have the same good results, start working toward those times. My dear, you see a lot of change. Okay, so guys, this was very helpful. Don't forget to do the needful, and also make sure you share with someone, so that YouTube will post this video, we push this video to the audience that need it most. Okay, and this will also encourage us to be doing more of this, and also bringing this kind of content to your doorstep. Okay, don't forget to do the needful, and see you all in my next vlog. I love you all. Bye.